So, sir, we already discussed about the social and emotional problems for healthcare workers.
Right.
Now, there is a stigma as well around healthcare workers, people who are going to hospitals for their regular job. How can India really come out of this notion of stigma? And what is your direction of thought?
This is see the question here is being healthcare industry or otherwise also we have to understand it's part of the game. So look at try to understand about the fear with respect to it's not a stigma kind of thing. The fear like I might contract some infection from you, and a similar kind of thing. We had this problem with respect to HIV HPCG earlier about nihilistic injuries and all. It took some time to get over. And if you really want to be much more clear and all those things, like we had Ebola recently, as recently as about 2013, something or 2014 kind of thing. There's some one patient, sometimes like what happens, even the color of your skin also might attract other person to think that I think my audio is low, that's what is being said. Is it better now?
Yes, it is better. I can hear you clearly.
Nandita Mathaput Joshi audio is low. So, yeah, I think
Okay, yeah.
nothing wrong about that.
Now she's saying better. Now she's
But
saying better.
okay, fine. Yeah, possible. Now, what I'm trying to say is, we have to take it the way it is. I don't think we should find any fault with any person or individual. The stigma is going to be there. Say for example, if we were to be on, say for example, you have a computer with you, or maybe something mobile. I have a computer.
Right. Right.
You have a computer with you, Diptesh.
Yes, right.
And
Yes.
all the 14 participants who are there, they also computer mobile with them.
Right.
So why are you having antivirus software with you?
You are right, sir. So to protect
No,
my
I'm not
computer.
right. Who's right here?
No. So to protect
Everybody is right.
ourselves.
Everybody is right.
Yes.
Everybody is trying to protect themselves.
Right.
That's human. The
Hmm.
stigma is probably when I'm talking to the Joshis, whatever this thing I'm hearing from you or whatever I'm accessing, so-called the I should say the Zoom webinar or for that matter Mindray and all, it can infect my computer. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So what you do? You take the antivirus protection, or you may
Hmm.
not use the Zoom software.
Right. Right.
So you think anyway different this from the pandemic?
I understand your correlation,
Simple. We
Dr. Joshi,
respect.
sir.
We should
Yeah.
respect. We should
Yeah.
respect. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So, okay. Now, going to the next question, probably a question which is common to many. Will the cost of treatment go up? Because going forward, probably disinfection and all PPEs, protective sanitization will be involved in everything. So, will the cost go up of
See, the
treatment?
cost is for your safety. You buy a computer, you want your data to personal data to be safe and all those things. For that, you buy an antivirus software. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello, Pritesh?
Yes. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yes.
So, yeah, I can hear you. So, question when you buy, you bought the computer and you are installing the antivirus software. Did
Hmm.
anybody ask you to buy the computer?
Probably
So
from my
similarly, if
need.
somebody
No.
goes to
Yeah.
hospital for healthcare facility and all those things, for their safety, because the problem here is the outcome will be very poor if somebody is COVID-19 positive, if they have viremia. For that reason, we have to do certain testing and
Hmm.
whatever.
Hmm.
I don't know how often you check the your flight bill and all those things. The fuel charge so much, surcharge this much, safety charge this much, and all those things. Same thing on the any hospital. So from where will they manufacture the funds to keep you safe, like so much of gloves, so much of mask, and keeping and all, and extra manpower and all? From where will they provide all these things? See, the people who give a computer to you, you buy a computer
Hmm.
X. They say it's hardware only.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
software you buy, software they give for software you buy antivirus.
Right, right. As per my need, I have to
Yeah, you got a point.
continue.
If I
Hmm.
buy a Mahindra ventilator, sorry, answer
Hmm.
workstation, do you
Hmm.
have to pay for do you have to pay for power supply also?
Understood your point. So as per the configuration
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
increases, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Understood, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Sir, your next point is about telemedicine. You touched upon it during your presentation.
yeah.
What is the future of
No,
telemedicine as per you?
it is going to increase. It is going to increase. The one good thing about telemedicine, whatever we say or what actually I've been using for last maybe 16 years continuously. Nothing less than that and all. It's only for it. It is good for where there is no need for the physical examination.
Right.
History wise, if I can make some like diagnose certain things, certain thoughts and all, it's fine. But if I have to go for the examination and all those things, it's difficult telemedicine. But follow up will be again good. Follow up. Say, for example, if I'm a patient of say some clinical psychological problem, something like that, anxiety neurosis, something like that, then counseling on the system is fine. Examination will be a difficult, but one thing we have to understand, probably everybody whosoever is still there, is that vitals will be monitored through the newer software.
Hmm.
Talk of the
Hmm.
pulse or respiration or token. It is going to change. It's going to change. And even the blood glucose and all those things for which people have to make a regular visit to the lab, that
Hmm.
also is going to change. And in your medical supply also, which you go to medical shop and all, like there'll be a drone which will be delivering the medications to you.
Medications. Yeah. So, do you think we are ready for such changes abruptly now? I believe for many. Are we ready? Do you foresee us to take this up and accept it as a new normal very soon?
See, the question is the early bird gets the worm. Who is getting the worm now?
Okay.
Got my point?
Okay.
The question here is you have to scale up your investments and your plan and your budgets. You have to put one foot ahead, 1 meter ahead of other people. Be ready for that. I am not ready. Okay, no problem. But somebody is ready.
Right. Right.
They'll walk away with about whatever the credits and all those things. But the question here is it going to make impactable kind of difference? Is the bottom line.
You're right. Yes. Okay. So, sir, next question. Like we see a lot of news that doctors who are handling COVID suspects, they are distancing themselves from their own families. It is really creating a tough time for them as well. I understand that probably they are doing it from safety point of view. But do you have anything as a comment on this?
I think see we have to understand the different group situations. Say for example, if I were to be an army soldier and all those things, I go into the battlefront 6 months. Once 6 months or 8 months, I take a break from whatever they if they permit me take a 1 month leave or something. I come back and I spend some time with the family. If things are conducted in the country, if there emergency, then they'll call me back and all. But here also, whatever way it is and all, see, question, this is unanticipated. Unanticipated means there was nobody anticipated pandemic. So these things are going to be that mentally somebody is not prepared. Mentally somebody is not prepared. And say, for example, how many,
Right, sir.
right?
Yep, right.
So each war, people have sacrificed themselves.
Mm.
Here also, what they the only thing is you go to the battlefront, you fight with people. If the bullet hits you, you're gone. But there are people who
Mm.
had only injury to just to make them disabled. Somebody had one leg amputation. Somebody had right hand not working or left hand not working. Somebody had some blood not working permanently. There are soldiers who got injured and all those things. It's not like, but question here is whatever the thing what it is like in a pandemic conduct, people are not exposed, and that fear is there. Why me only? Why should I be suffering? Why not others?
Mm. Okay.
Right? Why not others?
Right.
Why should I be suffering?
Correct. I think it's a mutual thing about
It,
everyone.
but
Yeah.
they
Mm.
know it's wrong.
Mm.
We have chosen profession by choice. Nobody forced us.
Correct. Correct.
As simple as that.
Fair enough, sir. Going on, next question is by Dr. Siddha S. Rao. Sir, what is your experience with hydrocortisone and low molecular heparin?
No, no, I know, Dr. Chakra sir. What is asking is like, it's putting fire and also ghee and same thing.
Hmm.
Hydrocortisone low, because pathology is still varying from, I should say, about where we thought it's only acute viral this thing causing, and subsequently we're talking about what is called as thrombogenesis, and you want to add heparin for that one, and to open up the thrombosed vessels, and again you want to have like a steroid which can create bleeding on its own because stress. It's
Hmm.
too early. It's too early for any of us to comment because I told you, even the 14,000 papers are there. It
Hmm.
takes some time for a paper to come to compare and contrast.
Hmm.
You need
Correct.
to say, one group I give hydrocortisone, one group I give low heparin. Who improved best? To say that you need some control and some cohort. See, nobody is sitting here like a Baba kind of thing just to say that like this work that doesn't work. If we knew all those things, probably there are no need for this discussion, this webinar at all. Thoughts are good and all, but I told you 14,000 papers are there
Hmm.
working about that. A few papers might be supporting, few may not supporting. We have to look at your pros and cons.
Sir, we discussed it earlier as well. Like the virus is mutating and it is changing its form. So some strains are probably more viral, some are less viral. How do you see this? Even if there is a vaccine, probably it will work on few groups of people. It may not be effective as a blanket solution. And also the medications, there is a limitation. So how can common man really try to see a end of this tunnel and see some light of it?
So now you're asking me like a visionary.
Sir, but this question you also, I think,
No,
discussed
no,
with
Deepesh, I
Dr.
didn't know.
Yeah.
In the later sense, the later sense.
Okay. Okay.
No, I made a confession at that time. If I knew the answer,
Yeah. Yeah.
I would not be in this particular forum. But let me make it. Let me make it very clear and all. Not to get depressed. Not to get depressed is the bottom line. I would like to say, see, at least now I think, Deepesh, correct me, if predominantly we have Indian crowds now.
Predominantly, yes. We have our
Predominantly.
HQ. Yeah. Yeah.
Predominantly. I'm not saying.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
last 2 decades we have surplus food production in India.
Hmm. Hmm.
Let me put it very clearly. And a lot of the food grains are there in here and there, and we are using it for the people and all those things. It's fine. And even the pandemic continues for and all. But I told you, like, the closest family for this one COVID-19 pandemic happens to be 1918 influenza.
Okay.
It took 2 to 3 years for things
So,
settle down,
mhm, okay.
right?
So this is much more dangerous.
No,
So,
no, not much more dangerous. So that time, people were dying at the age of 17 to 20 years.
mm-hmm,
You got about because that people the life expectancy was much lower.
mm-hmm,
So people were dying at much younger age. Sailors who will go into the sailing and all, and soldiers they were dying just like that. So it was happening at that time, but took 2 to 3 years. Even though you start working on the vaccine and all, it takes at least. But just think about what it takes about.
mm.
With the sure farm industry, how much time will it take for vaccine to come? You tell me.
Sir, as you rightly said, I also happen to know that it takes
Normally, tell me.
18 months minimum under trial.
You're right. Minimum is
Yeah,
18 months.
right.
So what did I say?
So
1.5 year.
correct. It's the same thing. So
Yeah.
we have no other choice but to wait, I believe.
About any molecule.
I think many years. It
So
takes
so
many
simple. So
years.
we are clear about what we're speaking.
Right.
So it took 3,000 years for a vaccine to come for smallpox. Yes or
Mm,
no?
yeah. Mm.
Right?
Right, sir. Understood. I understand your
So
point. So,
it's same thing. So question here is maybe science will evolve, technology will evolve, something new might come. But I'm just hoping that probably suddenly, unknowingly, probably COVID-19 might mutate into a weaker version. And we might escape. You never know. I'm not saying this is the way it is or that's the way it is. I think all the governments across the globe are working on that one. I think we have to respect their efforts and suggestions, and we have to work on that one. That's the only way we can come out of that one. And probably even individually, if you can contribute certain things, certain way. Say for example, even if it's about like safety, social distance, and all those things. It's all buying some time, like lockdown.
Mm.
Till you find a final answer.
Okay.
See, that's what it's all said in the battle. Live for a day, so that you can fight it much better next day.
Next day. Yeah, yeah.
So live today by maintaining social distance and safety. Probably next day you'll be in a better position to fight again. But don't lose your life. Stay there. Stay there.
Okay.
Maintain the guard. Maintain social distance. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. No general, no major had an answer for any battle anytime. He said, don't lose your life so easily.
Correct. Just safeguard yourself probably every day.
Dipesh, do you watch cricket?
Yes, sir.
Always batsman told, don't lose your wicket.
Yeah.
Same
Runs
thing
will
applies
come.
here.
Runs will come. Yeah.
Same thing applies here.
Correct. Fair enough, sir. So probably our next question is towards donning and doffing of PPs.
Yeah.
Like people,
That's
yes.
Rajesh Gupta, I think, probably.
Yes. So people understand the different protocols around it. Probably there are many discussions around it already, which has happened. But still, as a practice, what do you suggest? What's the best way which people can remember and just follow it?
See, it depends. Depends. See, where you're working. See, for example, now as of now, at the moment, you are seeing so-called this webinar. I am sitting at my home and having a webinar. So, hats off to the technology.
Correct.
The pen goes probably from his office or somewhere. It's fine. It's okay.
Right.
So if I'm asking certain things about, say, for example, where should I turn it off? If you can afford an office at home, I work from there. If I can't afford an office at home, sit at home. So in case they can afford a separate area for doffing and donning, you go there. If not, see, I'll tell you very clear, Diptesh, you have some time? I got.
We have, sir.
So Diptesh, let me very clear. Forget about all the tests and all. Imagine. Tomorrow morning, the first case, whatever needs to be done. Ideally, not ideally, the best practice which is happening in different continents is kids are not there. You don't know who's COVID positive, who's negative. Yes or no?
Right.
Surgery has to be done.
Surgery has to be done. Yeah.
So the people are taken to operating theater.
Right.
So everything is so only patient, two anesthetists, or one of the anesthesia consultant, one technician. Am I clear?
Yes. Minimum these people will be required.
Right. So most senior person or most competent person will intubate the patient.
Yes.
They wait for 20 minutes.
Right.
Aerosol to get absorbed. When the air exchange. Right?
Yes.
After 20 minutes, other departments will walk in. Surgery and sisters and all. They do surgery. They get out. These people extubate. Nobody will be there at that time.
No one will be there. Yeah.
After extubation.
Yes.
Right?
So, yes.
Take the patient to appropriate area. Suspect COVID positive, that will go there. Non-COVID, it will go there. Next 20 minutes for cleaning and leaving it alone. No case taken.
Correct.
What do you think?
Sir, I think then the OT needs to be shut off, right? Like,
how many theaters do you have?
Yeah, that's the biggest restriction. I cannot.
No, I'll tell you. If you have 10 theaters, this one. Even one theater also. Now you tell me. Dipesh, how many trips you are going to fly in next 6 months from Delhi to wherever your destination?
It's not going to happen, I believe, sir. Now, like, first of all, the service is unavailable, and also then there is a fear factor probably within all passengers that if it is not.
That means your question has the answer for my answer also.
Oh, okay. So I think
people are not coming to hospital out of fear.
Yeah, to the OPDs, the visits must be
They
very
will come.
less.
They will come. They in case I got some tooth pain for last 3 months, I
Hmm.
don't mind waiting for 3 months.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's as simple as that. No, see, anybody has died last 2 months by not traveling.
I'm not sure, but I think not a majority, I guess.
Topic ends there. The
Hmm.
answer for the question here is we were indulging in a lot of things for
Hmm.
no reason. So
Hmm.
simply, what I'm trying to say is things will settle down. See, to take time for 2 to 3 years, not to panic. Things settle down, and government's working, research is working. I got 14,000 papers have come out in last just 4 months and all. It takes some time. Yes, somebody has an answer and all those things to utilize that particular services. You might have to pay the charge. That's
Charges.
secondary
Yeah.
thing.
Hmm. Hmm.
But at the end of the day, I think it makes a sense. Do you really require that surgery, or do you
Hmm.
require that hospital follow up? In case I got the same BP for last 10 years, same doctor I'm going there, it makes me feel better if you go and see him. But
Hmm.
that's why I tell you in the lecture also. When I say
Right.
about like the so-called Hippocratic oath, the human touch.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
How the
Yeah.
touch now?
The touch is missing. Yeah. The touch is going
Are
to.
not missing.
Yeah.
It's there,
Hmm.
but with gloves.
With glove. Yeah. 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 The healing hands are changed to plastic hands now.
They're tied. They're tied.
Yeah.
Things will improve of course of time.
Correct.
Not to get worried, not to get scared.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. So next question is for emergency surgeries cases.
Yeah.
So any particular screening which needs to be done for the patients who are coming for emergency surgeries to the ERs?
See, there is no very clear cut this instructions. If somebody requires emergency, whether positive or negative, is immaterial.
Mm-hmm.
See, for example, I'll tell you, rotafaction,
Mm.
bleed, hypertension, aortic rupture. Are
Mm-hmm.
you going to wait for HIV, HPCJ, or are you going to take up in the OT?
Sir, I'm actually not aware of
You are
this.
not a medical
So
person,
yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
understand. Because
Mhm.
saving the life is important.
Right.
Who's positive, who's negative is a later story,
Mm-hmm.
right? So
Right.
same thing, emergency itself is a consent for that one, and you presume everybody is like positive, viral positive. You won't take up the work.
That way.
As simple as that.
Correct. You mentioned it. I think
Yeah,
let's
also you
assume
have to prepare
everybody
for
is,
see because
yeah,
already all the healthcare personnel across the country in India
they are prepared like that.
I'll again and again say they know how to handle infectious patients, especially
Hmm.
NABH certified hospital or whatever this thing there. They know how
Mm-hmm.
to handle HIV, HPV patients. This is nothing great. Little bit extra response towards anesthetic side because of the aerosol.
Mm-hmm.
It's very important for us. Very aerosol point of view, or about to use the box, or use the plastic sheets, or use the goggles, or use the what should I say, face sheets. It takes some time to
Takes some
understand.
time. Mhm.
You have to give some time.
That's a human psychological aspect as
Yeah,
well.
nothing
Yeah.
wrong about it. Nothing wrong.
Fair enough. So next question is around use of anesthesia machine
Hmm.
in an ICU. So I believe intensivists are not really comfortable with such short span of ventilation which is provided by anesthesia machines. So in India, uh, what are the practical challenges you foresee if there is any need to use anesthesia machine in an ICU?
So let's say the two things you have to understand.
Okay,
Either
sir.
Muhammad goes to mountain or mountain goes to Muhammad.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Okay. So
If
we
your
have to
IC,
learn.
if your ICU is full,
Hmm.
the patient has to go to a place where the ventilator is there, and the ventilator is in the OT.
Correct.
You still want an answer, or is it clear?
No, I understood. So we have to learn an upskill. So
Absolutely.
yeah,
See, because and you, what are you talking about? All the newer water ventilators and all, they're back squeezers.
correct, correct.
As simple as that. So why do you worry about that? See, question here is you should understand most of the COVID-19 patients, the
Hmm.
lung pathology is so clear. The most predominant accepted one is more towards the arterial thrombosis.
Hmm. Hmm.
So lung compliance is good. Whether you use with probably the OT ventilators or use with the back squeezer which are being manufactured by the different companies, it's fair enough.
Okay. Okay, sir. So next question is around sir COVID virus again. How is it different than the H1N1 virus which we saw? And I think statistically it infected many, but then there got a cure. So how different is the H1 COVID-19? Because people are saying there will be a second wave and probably it will always be there with people in seasonal kind of an effect. What is your thought, sir, on this?
Deepesh, you heard of malaria?
Yes, sir, I have heard of it, and I think it's the biggest killer in today's terms for India as
So
well.
since how many years have been hearing about that one?
I understand. Okay.
So the question here is, what are COVID-19 you are saying? 2, 3 years it will go on and all those things. Mutation might happen this way, or we might develop some influenza vaccine and all those things. See, with the influenza or H1, this thing, whatever you are saying, or COVID-19, the biggest thing is about that one. No? All the time, wherever the disease is manifesting, like smallpox, I was saying,
Mm.
it's fine. Quarantine was possible. Where it was not, where somebody is carrier,
Mhm.
and the benefit not obvious, then it's going to spread. The whole thing about COVID-19 is highly infective, but not less mortality. Compared to Ebola, which has got less infectivity, but 50% mortality.
Mhm.
Which one you want?
I think I don't want anything, but
Ah,
but yes, if there needs to be a choice,
but see,
yeah,
look at the positive side. Opportunities to
correct,
improve yourself.
correct.
Is there anything wrong about self-distancing? What do
No,
you say?
there is no such
Is
thing.
there anything wrong about wearing mask?
I think it's for our own benefit. We should do that.
Is there
Yes,
anything wrong about hand sanitization?
that's the basic. Everybody should
So
do it. Whether
then what's wrong about this pandemic? It is correcting you.
sir, it is improving us as a human
Yeah,
being.
so
Yes.
it is better. You respect. You respect. See, it respect. But don't think is this penalty or there is no need to pay penalty. But
Yes.
when we don't learn,
Yeah.
somebody is going to penalize us.
I think it's Mother Nature who is ru-
Absolutely, that's the only
ruling
mother nature
us.
who is improved. You know about the clips and all, but I did not put those things because I thought probably my slides were too long, so I
Mhm.
never wanted to put a single picture on my slide also. I'm sorry for that one. Sorry, Dipesh.
No, great, actually, sir. I understood your point. We don't have a choice. We have to improve and probably uh, see what the guidelines are saying for our own benefits. The more fast we choose to adopt, probably it is for our own benefit, I guess. You are right, sir. Sir, next question is around air conditioning. You also posed a question to Dr. Peng. For smaller setups, is there any alternative in ICU where there is no
See,
possibility
the
of
whole
negative?
discussion of smaller setup only. It's nothing to do with the bigger setups. Bigger setups can afford. If I got 10 theaters, I can spare 2 theaters only for COVID work.
Right.
It's
But
bigger theaters not a big issue at all. The question is smaller. I look at
small.
smaller theaters. See, we
Hmm.
got this community responsibility what we are doing and all. See, one thing I'm very clear about that particular thing is, as per this thing is, if you have the test to clear, somebody
Hmm.
code positive or negative,
Hmm.
you do it. Negative, take it like what did HPC says, you take it up.
Okay.
In case you say that I don't have test and all, you treat everybody as positive. The way you did HPC, needle
Hmm.
prick injuries and all.
Hmm. Hmm.
Simple.
Hmm.
So what your theaters you got, what you can do is induce 20 minutes you wait,
Hmm. Hmm.
then surgical team walk in to the procedure, they'll get out, extubate, 20 minutes you wait, shift the patient out, let them clean and take
Clean
it
them.
up.
Hmm. Hmm.
You might have slow down for 6 months.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Deeptesh,
Yes.
tell me, last 2 months did it slow down or were you still fast?
Uh, I'm not sure, sir, but I think my life has
50%?
slowed down. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
50%? I'm not saying zero.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
So
it's not zero.
same thing next 3 to 6 months, we might have to probably see people may not come to hospital for elective work.
Hmm. 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 Correct. It will be all for compulsory.
So they will wait for some time, things settle down. That's a natural waiting period. That's fair enough.
Fair
That's
enough,
fair.
sir.
That's given time.
Okay.
Live for the day. Next day will be new beginning.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And don't have to rush through all the list. And no, all the emergencies that had to be done is being done. Whatever the probably stroke patient need to be done is being attended. What are there is no history of Tell me one thing, Dipesh.
Yes, sir.
How many people have died because of stroke because the doctor was not available?
I think if it is not reported within first 30 minutes, that's
No,
what I heard.
I'm asking
Hmm.
about 24th or this 24th, about last 50 days.
Okay, sir, I'm not aware of the news of this kind, but I believe it is
I'm not
less,
aware, not
less,
aware.
less.
How
Yeah,
about I had a heart attack, nobody attended me. Next
yeah.
to nil, next to nil, next to nil. I'm not saying.
I think yeah, not reported much.
But
Yes,
obstetrics, there was people delivered on the road or maybe in the vehicle and here
yes,
and there, right?
yes.
And there are people
Yes.
who died on the road while walking back to their territory.
So, sir, are you suggesting that if we follow the normal slowed down version of our lives,
Yes,
are
yes,
we going
yes.
to?
But question here is, whatever has to happen, despite all these things, everything is going to settle down. Take care of the
Okay.
pregnant women because pregnancy is something framed. 9 months, no delivery, it has to happen. It has to happen. People walking on the street and all this and dehydration and food and lack of those things are going to be there that we have addressed. So there is no medical emergency at this stage of push yourself for too much thing except for pregnancy and maybe trauma. Now that we opened the road and all, everybody is bang, 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 bang. Those things, the trauma is going to be there. The stroke might come because of the old age, right? And a
Mhm,
fall. Like you may get hip fractures.
mhm. Okay.
Age is going to continue. Hip fractures, stroke, and
Mhm.
these things. Of course, you will get the MI kind of incidence more henceforth because somebody had a business loss.
Okay.
So
So
those, so
that's
you
why.
have to accept things. See, pregnancy and related,
Mm,
walking, dehydration and all, and the trauma at home, somebody fell
mm.
down, and stroke because aging process. Those things are going to be there anyway.
Okay. Sir, we have only two more questions from our audience which are left.
Great.
I think the question is probably as an anesthetist to you. How are you managing anesthesia in remote locations of the hospitals like cath lab, endoscopy, radiology units? Is it in practice now?
No, see, of course, it's very clear. It's very clear. But I think that makes sense. Whatever because Asper is asked and all, respect their thoughts and all.
Hmm.
And see, the question is simple thing. If your hospital has the the lab test to confirm whatever the COVID test, like you got two tests, you got about a polymerase chain reaction, like RT-PCR is one, tells about virus presence. Next, antibodies. So virus you have it or not, and antibodies itself whether you had a virus infection last a few days or whatever, IgM or IgG. In case you have patient all those things, if you have that particular thing and all, RT-PCR test, if it's positive, you know what exactly you have to do. But it's emergency, this thing. At the end of the day, if you have a positive result and clear-cut ideas, if you want to postpone, you can postpone if it's possible. Otherwise, you take it as an emergency and take all precautions. If you cannot postpone, every patient you have to take it up. The simple is an emergency thing. That's a consent what you get in this pandemic, and take the precautions and then go about it. If it's not emergency, postpone. Simple.
Okay. So last one is actually a discussion from your side. People are asking, how shall we go forward if this lockdown ends? And as an anesthetist and as a fellow countryman and clinician, every aspect, what is your suggestions for all of us, sir?
No, my suggestion, my thought to all my colleagues and all, not that I am different and they are something different and all those things. I think it's difficult. See, institutions, it's not a problem. Especially, I am worried about the freelancing practitioners and all. Like somebody says, I have posted so and so. The biggest challenge for us is two things. One is PPE not testing not available. Yes or no? First and foremost thing.
Yes, testing kits are limited.
Only not limited. PPE not available.
Yes, people are struggling to
So
get.
basically, you are sending a soldier to the battle that we don't know who is the enemy and we can't provide the gun, but you go and fight. Then what do you expect him to do?
Mhm.
Ritesh, you got me?
So I understood. Yeah, that
See, the
situation is
nation
there.
doesn't provide a testing kit. Tell who is the enemy and
Mhm.
doesn't got PPE kit. happens, and but you say you run the hospital.
It's very difficult.
But it's not with only our country. It's across the globe.
Mhm.
I don't say it's only our country. It's across the globe. So the challenge here is what we have to understand is who is right. How many people really require surgery? Say, like I told, like the colleagues are there. The caesar, for example, the pregnancy with the due birth, what needs to be done. This thing need to be addressed. There's no other option. But when you're doing any of this patient, you presume everybody is positive. Everybody, in case you don't have resources, send them to nearest center where they can do that.
Sir, we lost
It's
your
not
voice.
worth
Yeah.
risking our healthcare professionals. Because see, for one case, you might become heroic, you might do and all, but subsequently, that particular Taluk Headquarters Hospital might be quarantined for 14 to 28 days. All healthcare people that get shut down, and so many patients will suffer just because of one patient. We're emotional about it. But it's across the globe. Nothing special about India.
Correct. So, sir, now questions are over from my side. I believe you can all guide us to.
Uh, I know. I'm just thinking whether I finish all my questions, whatever things. I think
Please,
most of
please.
the things.
We have covered. Yes, we have covered. I
I
have
think I
seen
think
it.
you're a Deeptesh. See, but what I say, Deeptesh, clearly, if I were to be you as a common man, this is what I'm trying to say.
Right.
If it's not required, telemedicine we have to utilize. But telemedicine cannot be substitution for all the things because you cannot cook food by just watching TV or maybe software on the computer or maybe on iPad. Am I right?
Right. Right.
Things are so easy. There are no need for mother.
Mm, mm.
Can you get motherhood by watching the any of the iPad or iPhone, something like that?
Absolutely no. Yeah.
Mother is mother. So
Correct.
same thing here, but at this thing, I think all of us we have to buy. See, that's where I spoke about history before I spoke anything. I think I'm sorry for Diptesh about the font being small, not because anything like little bit probably I should say about the thing, but when that was history. History you can always hear. Like I don't put probably like what I should say about the PowerPoint kind of thing.
Mm,
This
mm,
thing, but that's okay. But history people have heard. You had when see it has taken 2 to 3 years for every pandemic. At
mhm.
least flu point of view, we have to be ready for that one.
Correct.
Make sure live for one more day. Take care of your personnel at home, at hospital, and make sure they're comfortable.
Correct.
And take patients and all. And the patients are not in a hurry to come for surgery once they know that about what's happening around them.
Mm, mm, mm.
So they will also slow down. And maybe 6 months we'll have solution for all these things. That one is the best of things. It will settle down.
Correct. Correct.
It is that long because the question here is somebody who is hungry, you're trying to snatch his food and trying to give to somebody who is not so hungry just to make. So somebody who requires probably COVID-19, probably the RT-PCR for their survival kind of thing, and picking and then they're trying to use that for some patient with tooth extraction. So that's where the whole dilemma comes.
Correct. So we have to be positive and
It will,
probably
it will
take one
happen.
day. Yeah.
It will happen. It will settle down. It will
Okay.
settle down.
Okay. So, sir, I have come to my end of this whole question and answer. Over to you now. You can guide me how to take it up. And
No,
if you, yeah,
it's fine. It's fine. So I'm happy about about discussion and all. All can have it uh, as required and all those things. And we have to respect people and all. And every country has its own commitments and responsibilities and things how it has to go on. How many kits are available, where they want to utilize, and funding and all. It's very easy. Sitting in probably in a comfort zone, we can ask, and the government has its own difficulties. But only we can tell is the two things, especially on a 3 point of view. If you have the facility for that getting tested and all those things, you get the testing done. Testing is negative, go ahead with surgery like routine, whatever you would have done. If it's testing says that like in a positive, wait for whatever the duration of the quarantine the country says. In case at the end of the day you don't have testing and all, treat everybody as clinically positive and In case you got enough PP to take care of all your personally, you go ahead about the whole work. As simple as that.
Right.
It will be fair enough. It will everything will be fine, Diptesh. It will be fine. Probably years
That's
now, near the electric down, we'll have one more for saying thanks to everyone.
correct. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, first, not only for your time, but for your valuable discussions that we had. We had discussions at
We
length.
learn from each other, Diptesh. We learn from each other.
Correct. Thank you so much for your time. And everyone, thank you for attending the session. I hope you all liked it. The recording is there on our website and YouTube right away, right now on our YouTube channel.